In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of MyFitnessPal. To begin, you need to open the MyFitnessPal app on your device. This app is your companion for tracking nutrition and fitness goals. Once you find the icon, tap it to launch the application. You will see the familiar interface filled with vibrant colors and engaging features that help you stay on top of your health journey. It's essential to start here because the logout process can only begin once you are in the app. A simple tap on the app icon will set everything in motion for your logout. Once you are in the app, look for the More menu button located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This button is represented by three dots stacked vertically. Tapping this button will expand a menu with various options related to your account and app settings. This step is crucial because it leads you to the area where you can manage your account, including logging out. After you tap the More menu, you will see additional options appear for you to choose from. Next, scroll all the way to the very bottom of the menu page that appears. You might notice several options as you scroll. They can include settings for your profile, notifications, and more. However, your goal is to reach the very last option on this list. This step matters because it ensures you access the logout feature, which is typically placed at the bottom for ease of access. Don't worry if it takes a moment, just keep scrolling until you reach the end of the menu options. After reaching the bottom of the menu, you will see the Logout button. This button is clearly labeled, making it easy to identify. Tap on the Logout button to initiate the logout process. This action confirms that you are ready to sign out of your MyFitnessPal account. It's a straightforward step, but it's vital for maintaining your account security, especially if you are using a shared or public device. Once you tap this button, you will be one step closer to completing the process. At this point, if a pop-up appears asking you to confirm your choice, go ahead and confirm your logout. This extra layer of verification is designed to prevent accidental logouts, which can be quite inconvenient. Tapping the confirm button ensures that your request to log out is processed. This is important because it protects your data and maintains your privacy. You will see a confirmation message indicating that you have successfully logged out of your account. Now that you have completed the logout process, take a moment to appreciate how easy it was. Logging out is crucial for anyone who values their account security, especially in shared environments. You can now close the app with confidence, knowing your data is secure. It's always a good practice to log out when finished, especially if you are using a public or shared device. In conclusion, by following these simple steps, you have successfully logged out of MyFitnessPal. Remember, starting with opening the app, navigating to the More menu, scrolling down, and finally tapping Log Out are essential steps in this process. Knowing how to log out is not just about following steps, it's about ensuring your personal information is kept safe. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful as you manage your health and fitness journey.